What's the meaning of capital goods? Capital goods. Capital goods.
Capital goods. Capital goods. Capital goods refer to the tangible assets, such as equipment, machinery, and buildings, that are used in the production of goods and services. Unlike consumer goods, which are purchased by individuals for their own personal satisfaction, capital goods are acquired by companies and organizations to produce other goods and services. In short, capital goods are long-term investments that are necessary for companies to operate their businesses. Without them, companies would not be able to produce as much, resulting in a decrease in the supply of goods and services in the market.